Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the overlay transparent in CapCut apps. Okay, tap on your project, select your videos or photos that you like to edit. So for example, I'm going to select the project and I'm just going to add overlay. Tap on overlay, add overlay and select photo or video overlay. So for example, going to select the green screen photo, and I'm just going to resize and remove the green color. Select chroma key, density, and then shadow. Click check mark, and I'm going to make it transparent. So how to just blend? Select blend and select select overlay. You can adjust for the opacity. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.